while you're talking. Okay, here we go. So we get a video going. This guy.
We're trying to establish that. Like I said, he bought this to hook his cousin up, and she just didn't show interest in it. In fact, he's moving back to New Mexico, so we're just trying to get somewhat of a, we're kind of in an emergency situation. We have horses up here. Oh, is that right? Yeah, two horse land or what? Huh. Is that? Oh, is that right? Mechanic and his wife is running the truck. Hot water spigot. And it's got the big grill in the back. It's got two refrigerated compartments to put side trays in, your ingredient trays. And it has a shoreline plug on it. The plug it into the generator. And so everything works. See, we got to have to take a propane off here. Yeah, it's not a nice